Our world is built on stuff. We rely on countless objects every day, from our smartphones to bridges and airplanes, but there's a constant enemy: wear and tear. Everything breaks down over time. Cracks appear, surfaces scratch, and parts wear out. This constant deterioration leads to costly repairs, replacements, and even safety hazards. Imagine a world where things could heal themselves, like a wound on your skin. This isn't science fiction. It's the exciting reality of self-healing materials. These remarkable materials have the ability to repair damage automatically, increasing lifespan, reducing waste, and potentially revolutionizing many industries. So, what exactly are self-healing materials? They are specially designed materials with a built-in ability to repair damage. This might sound like magic, but it's based on clever chemistry and material science. These materials often contain tiny capsules filled with a healing agent. When damage occurs, the capsules break open, releasing the healing agent. The agent then reacts chemically to seal the crack or repair the damage. Think of it like our body's healing a cut. When we get injured, our blood clots to stop the bleeding, and the wound eventually heals itself. Self-healing materials work on a similar principle, with the healing agent acting like our body's natural repair mechanisms. Self-healing materials are already making their way into our lives. One example is self-healing phone screens. These screens contain a special coating that can repair minor scratches, keeping your phone looking new for longer. In the automotive industry, self-healing paints are being developed that can repair minor scratches and chips, keeping cars looking their best and protecting them from rust. But self-healing materials aren't just for everyday objects. Researchers are exploring their use in more critical applications, such as bridges and airplanes. Imagine a bridge that could repair small cracks before they become major structural problems. This could significantly improve safety and reduce maintenance costs. Section 4. A glimpse into the future self-healing cities and beyond. The future of self-healing materials is incredibly exciting. Researchers are working on even more advanced materials with the potential to revolutionize various industries. Imagine self-healing concrete that could repair cracks in buildings and roads, reducing maintenance and improving safety. Self-healing plastics could lead to longer-lasting products, reducing waste and our reliance on fossil fuels. The possibilities are endless. We could see self-healing medical implants that adapt to the body, self-healing spacesuits that protect astronauts from micrometeoroids, or even self-healing houses that adapt to changing weather conditions. The concept of self-healing could extend beyond materials themselves. Imagine self-healing systems like power grids that can automatically reroute electricity around damaged areas, or self-healing transportation networks that adapt to accidents and congestion. Section 5. The potential impact: a world without wear and tear. The widespread adoption of self-healing materials could have a profound impact on our world. Products would last longer, reducing waste and the need for replacements. This would have significant environmental benefits, conserving resources and reducing pollution. Safety would be improved as structures and vehicles could repair damage automatically, preventing catastrophic failures. The economic implications are also significant. While the initial cost of self-healing materials might be higher, their extended lifespan and reduced maintenance could lead to significant cost savings in the long run. This could revolutionize industries from construction and transportation to electronics and healthcare. Section 6. Embracing the self-healing revolution. Self-healing materials are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are a rapidly developing field with the potential to transform our world. As research progresses and costs decrease, we can expect to see these materials integrated into more and more products and applications, making our lives safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. The future is bright for self-healing materials. It's a future where wear and tear becomes a thing of the past, and our belongings, infrastructure, and even our bodies have the remarkable ability to heal themselves. Embracing this self-healing revolution will lead to a more sustainable, resilient, and exciting future for all.
Gologin is the best browser for multi-accounting.